Good morning students. How are you? I hope all of you fine. Now today we will start the lab activity third for class 10th. Now today's activity is very interesting. What's the aim of today's activity? To prepare temporary mount of a leaf peel to show the stomator. Understand that? In my previous videos we have discussed about the two activities. Now first activities is that to show to describe the different part of the structures of a different flower. Now the second activities we have done to prove that the light is very important factor for a photosynthesis. Understand that? Now the third lab activities, today is the third lab activities, that is the very important for your theory and practical exams and for a PBQ's question. PBQ's question means that a practical based question. Now in the new pattern for exam for our 10th class, PBQ's questions change into the MCQ's question. That's a very important pattern. It means you should learn a PBQ's question. Understand that? Now we will start now. Now are you clear now the aim? What is the stomata? First of all, do you know plants are a primary producers? Now plants they make their own food by the presence of sunlight, and stomatas they carry out the physiological process, photosynthesis and respiration. I think do you know it very well, photosynthesis and respiration. I have taught to you. Now the stomatas carry out the regulating exchange of gases between leaf of a plant and atmosphere. That is the stomata. But in normal language, you can say that stomatas are a tiny pores and tiny pore structures and present on the surface of the leaves. You can say that present on the epidermis of leaves. Understand that? Now question arises that what are the function and how to draw the diagram. Okay, so let's start now. This is the kidney shaped structure of guard cell. Now the outer part of the stomata is epidermis. Okay, what is this? This is a epidermis, and what is this? This is the whole structure in this is the kidney shape of structure, that is the guard cell. Okay, now chloroplast present in the stomata. Okay, and chlorophyll present in the chloroplast. So you can say that the plants are green because of that chlorophyll pigment present in the chloroplast, and chloroplast present in the stomata, and stomata present on the leaves. Understand that? Now what is the outer surface of this kidney shaped structure? You can say the thin layer. That is very important. Some students write the only guard cell. No, thin layer guard cell. That is the right process. Guard cell. Look that. Now the thick layer guard cell. Do you know what are the function? What is the function of a guard cell? Guard cell control open and closed stomata. How can you control open and closed stomata? Now question is that because of that tergity of stomata cause open stomata. During a daytime stomatas are open. Because of that tergity of guard cell causes stomata open, and during a night time stomatas are closed. Because of that flaccid of guard cell causes stomatas are closed. Understand how to open and close stomata? Okay, so depend on the guard cell. So that is the very important function of guard cell. Okay, understand that? Now that's it. How that is the open stomata because of the center part is open. Open stomata. Okay, during a daytime. But how can you make the closed stomata diagram? Difference between open. You should shade this part. It means that is the closed stomata. Understand? But if you draw the diagram in your lab manual, now draw the two diagrams. Okay? You should draw the two diagrams, open and closed. Understand that? That's a very important. Now, are you understand how to make a open stomata and closed stomata? Look at that type. That's a shaded part. Okay? Are you understand that? Now, what is this? There is present nucleus. Understand that? Now there are different parts. Outer part of the stomata, epidermis. During a daytime, open stomata. That is the outer, the kidney shaped structure. That is the guard cell, thin layer guard cell, and nucleus is present, and the chloroplast present in the stomata, and chlorophyll present in the chloroplast, and the inner side the thick layer guard cell. Understand that? That is very important function of guard cell. And how do you know it very well? How to open and close stomata during a day and during a night. Okay, now understand that? It means that, are you clear now? The before starting the experiment, do you know it very well? What are the stomata? I think the basic concept, are you clear now? Okay, basic concept of experiment used for the practical. Okay, now next is material required. What is the material required for this practical? Okay, now first of all we will take a bryophyllum leaf. Understand that? It means that the thick leaf. Okay, now you can easily the leaf peel. Okay, now that is the blotting paper. Now staining material is used is the saffron. Saffron, that is the very important staining material. Do you know iodine is staining material used for the test of starch, and saffron is red color material and used for the staining of plant tissues. Understand that? Now, what is this? This is normally glycerin. What is the uses of glycerin in this practical? Glycerin to prevent dry material and to prevent air bubbles. Okay? Now understand that? Now, what is this? Do you know it very well? Forceps. Use the brush. And that's a very important. What is this? This is the curve, rectangular shape is the slide, glass slide. Now what is this? This is the cover slip. Understand that? Now there are the materials. I understand. So how can you write the materials? Bryophyllum leaves Now forceps, glass slide, cover slip, watch glass. Now the blotting paper, excess of staining and glycerin, then you should use a blotting paper. Now the needle, cover slip, and that's very important practical, microscope. Okay, under the observation, these practicals under the observation in microscope, under the microscope. Understand that? Now that is the material requirement for this practical. Now the processes. What is the procedure? How can you proceed? There are steps 1 to 6. Okay, let me start now to demonstrate how to extract the stomata from leaf peels. Understand that? Now let me start now. First of all, we will take a Bryophyllum leaf. It's a thick leaf. Now this is the upper and lower surface. You can peel from opposite direction. Now what will we get? We will get a transparent structure. Okay, look at that transparent structure. Okay, remove with a scale. Yeah, you can say that remove with a with the help of brush. The brush. Now what will we do? We add the staining material. Okay, now we will take a staining material. Okay, because of that, this is a transparent structure. You can see the every structure, every parts of the stomata. With use the saffron. Okay, so why I use this saffron? Because of that, you can see all parts of the stomata structure. Okay, now stain the material. Now what will we do? You take a glass slide and put a 1 drop of glycerin. Understand that? Put the 1 drop of glycerin on the glass slide, and what will be do? You will be this leaf peel, put on the glass slide, and that is very important. Next step, do you know what is this? This is the square shape, is the covering, glass covering slides. Now that is a rectangular shape, and now how can you put the cover slip on the glass slide slowly. Now with the help of needle and forceps, you should be there. There is no bubbles in that practicals. Okay, you should cover slip, and then slowly. Because of that, you should note the air bubbles. Yeah, you can say excess water, and you can say that glycerin should be used in the order to prevent drying of the peel. That is the precautions. Okay. Now excess of glycerin and staining materials removed by the help of blotting paper. Understand that? Okay. But that is very important. The leaf peel should be placed in the center of the glass slide. Understand that? Now look at that. Are you understand how to make the stomata slide? Temporary mount of a leaf peel to show the stomata. Understand that? Okay, look at, and under the microscope, what will be see? You will be see a different epidermis. You will be see the epidermis of leaves. There are so many stomatas present epidermis of leaves that look like a stomata on leaf. Some stomatas are closed, some stomatas are look like. What is this? This is epidermis. Epidermis, it means stomata embedded on the epidermis of leaves. Under a microscope, we observe that under the microscope, stomatas are elliptical cells, and they are found. They contain the epidermis contain the many stomatas present on the surface of the leaves. Understand that? Now that is the observation under the microscope. Understand that? It means that how to make a temporary mount of stomata, temporary slides. How can you make the temporary slide of stomata? Okay. Now are you clear now? What is the process of to make the stomata, temporary slide of stomata? Understand that? Now question arises that next step is observation. Under a microscope, what will be observed? We observe that many stomatas present on the epidermis of the leaf. We observe that guard cell. Guard cell is a kidney shape. We observe that thick and thin layer of guard cell. We observe that nucleus. We observe that open stomata and closed stomata. Okay? And are you understand that? Now result that is very important. Because of that, what will be get? We will get a temporary mount of a leaf peel to show the stomata. Now a temporary mount of a leaf peel to show its stomata has been prepared and studied. Understand that? That is the result. Okay. Now the precautions, that is a very important. First of all, avoid folding the leaves. Okay. Now the peel should be always be placed on the center of the glass slide. Now do you know a brush should be used to handle the peels, otherwise would damage peels. Okay. Now glycerin should be used in the order to prevent drying of the peel. Understand that? And to prevent air bubbles. Okay. Now cover slip need to be placed in such a way that air bubbles are avoided. Air bubbles नहीं होना चाहिए slide में. Okay, understand that? That is very important way. Okay. Now the next in blotting paper. Do you know blotting paper can be used to remove the excess staining and excess staining material and excess glycerin. Understand that? Now question arises that I don't understand what is the aim of this practical, material requirement, procedure, observation and results and precautions. Now question is, I am giving some questions. I am thinking, do you know it very well? PBQ's questions, that is very important questions for your board examination. Do you know it very well? PBQ's question related with MCQs. Now 2019 and 20, some questions arise from these practicals. Okay. Now first question is this: what are stomata? Okay. And do you know what is the function? Exchange of and describe its functions. That is very important. Okay. Function is know that exchange of gases. Okay. Now transpiration. Do you know it very well? Transpiration, removal of water vapor from aerial part of the plant, that is called as a transpiration. That is a very most important function for a stomata. Understand that? Now the next, name a plant whose leaf has no stomata. Name a plant. Name a plant whose that no stomata. Understand? Okay. Now the third question is this: which plant have minimum stomata? Which plants have minimum stomata? Understand? Name them the plants. Now the next question is this: why do guard cell have chloroplast? Why do, yeah, you can say that what are the function of guard cell in stomata? Yeah, you can say that why do guard cell have chloroplast? That is a very important function of chloroplast. Now question last is fifth. Do you know, do the green stems contain a stomata? It means do the green stem contains stomata. Stomatas are present on the leaves and on the stem also, or on the other soft part of the plants also. Question arises that do the green stems contains stomata? It means there are 5 questions. What are the stomata and describe its function? Now name a plant whose that's no stomata. Which plants have minimum stomata? Why do guard cell have chloroplast? Now do the green stems contain stomata? Understand that? That is very important PBQ's question. You can see the practical based question. Okay. Now but include in the MCQs for a 10th class 10th class exam, biology examination also, please learn that and write down the question answer in your fair copy. But lab activity, write down the lab activity on lab. Okay, now I think you understand what I am saying to you. Okay students, any problem, please can you ask me. Stay safe, stay home, and bye.